The given question says that the correct order of n compounds in a decreasing order of oxidation states. So we need to find the correct order of the oxidation state separately. So first we go through HNO3. We know that overall oxidation state of HNO3 is 0. And now we solve it separately. For H it is 1 plus 1, and we assume for nitrogen to be X, and for oxygen it is 3, it is 2 times. By solving it we get X equal to 5. So the oxidation state of nitrogen in this is 5. Similarly, we solve it for NH4Cl, and we will get the oxidation state -3, and for NO it will be 2, and for N2 it is 0. Now in order to solve it in decreasing order, first the one with highest oxidation state will come, and followed by the lower. Therefore the highest is in HNO3, and then it is 2, which is NO, and then it is 0, which is N2. So this is a wrong option. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Therefore this is our correct answer.